Welcome to the Old Barn channel. I'm so glad you're here for this video today. I think you're going to love it, especially if you are considering building a house, because first of all, you can see a lot of how this house is constructed. And second of all, we have some really great conversations towards the end of this video about their experience with owner building and self-contracting their house, and how they did that and some of the benefits and challenges they experienced. So if you're at all interested in building a house, this is the video for you.
And we are now just north of Atlanta. This is Johnny and Natalie. They're still constructing their Pecan Grove. It's a reverse. They have some of their own little customizations they've done to the house, but it's looking great, and we're going to show you all everything. So here we go.
Y'all, it looks so pretty already. I know you're still under construction, but it already looks so beautiful. What is this exterior paint color?
It's coffee.
So it's coffee. Okay. It's a nice warm.
Maybe with that, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I wanted still so white to me.
It is.
You know,
but it's because it's outside and it's
right.
bright.
It's really cool at night, the way our house is positioned.
Yeah.
And the moon, literally, when it's full, it lights up the house.
Wow.
It's really pretty.
It was really pretty driving up across the pond. Yeah. And seeing it over here. This is going to be so nice. This front porch view is just perfect.
We had about 30 trees that were having milled.
Oh.
And they're going here. So they're doing all the tongue and groove for the porches.
Well, out of the tree?
Yeah, out of the trees.
Nice.
And then, of course, we're doing the barnwood in the vault. That's a foyer.
And this is the reverse.
And the foyer turned out great. I love it.
Yeah, this is great.
Yeah, I love it.
It was hard to imagine, I know.
Yeah, it was.
With this, with the niche. This is the coat car.
It is. And then our tongue and groove is going here.
So this is great. The vault looks great. It's going to be tongue and groove. Are y'all going to do beams or no beams?
Yeah, we are doing beams.
Yeah. Okay.
We are. What I'm still trying to decide is whether to do them all white. Of course, one of the things that drew me to yours was the little white, the all white and everything.
At one point, though, I think I remember y'all talking about having some rustic touches.
Yes, we are. And so that's why I'm thinking maybe we'll have the beam stained instead of.
Yeah.
But there's still a lot of things in my head that I haven't made decisions.
I know that that wood up there, you're going to have to send me pictures.
Oh, yeah. I cannot wait to get it up there. Well, I think we're going to paint the tongue and groove.
Okay.
At least here.
Okay.
We may not do that everywhere.
What kind of wood is it?
It's pine.
Pine.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's pine.
Make sure they prime it properly.
Oh, yeah. We did do the bonus room different.
Oh, okay.
We did a closet here. Because this room is basically going to be for grandkids. We have 24.
Okay.
And so we decided, we were in the process of framing.
It's just a couple grandkids.
And the framer said, you know, do you want the knee walls? You don't have to do those.
Right.
Code.
Right.
And
so you just opened it all up.
To open it.
That's what we did too.
Yeah.
I draw them in because people don't always want to pay for this shorter square footage. That's why they're in there.
So we're thinking about, we had the plumber to go ahead and plumb to put a bathroom here, at least a half bath. Yeah, the kids are up here, so they don't have to run downstairs to go to the bathroom.
So yeah, this is great. It's going to be a great bunk room.
Yeah. So I'll be able to have some space for the older kids, the younger kids, because we've got all ranges. Our oldest will be 18 in July, so.
Yeah.
And then we've got babies.
And then this is walkout attic over here.
Yep. Yeah, we expanded the island to 9 feet.
Okay.
I could put at least one extra bar stool or so.
Yeah, you could probably get 5.
Yep.
This looks good.
I'm putting a screen door on my pantry.
Oh, fun.
I found one. I looked and looked and looked. They don't make screen doors 8 feet. And we did go with 8 feet doors, 10-foot ceilings. But I was at an antique market a couple weekends ago, and I found an 8-foot screen door.
Wow, that's going to be great.
I ended up putting lights over the windows. I saw somebody else did that, and I thought, I like that.
Got it bumped in for the refrigerator so it doesn't stick out.
And then we ended up putting our HVAC return in the mops and bolt closet.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah. We felt like that's probably where we had the most space to do that.
The vault in here looks so good.
Yeah. Oh, I love this bedroom. And I love the 3 windows.
primary bedroom vault.
We held off on these cabinets until
Let's see how the tub is.
I put the tub in and see what we have.
Shower, a little toilet room, and closet.
Everybody we bring in through here, they're like, closet? Are you sure this is the office or something?
It's a good size.
No.
Laundry.
The laundry mud.
This is gonna be nice. Nice. Yeah.
In the garage.
Yep. Love it.
You had some birds.
You had birds move in. I love this vaulted porch. Do y'all love this?
I love it. I love it. And we're actually going to put 10 here. I've got a huge ceiling fan for right there.
What about screening?
You could do this in for sure. Yeah.
But we're going to put a outdoor fireplace and some stuff like that later.
This would be a perfect spot to screen in.
Yeah.
You can have a table out here. Eat bug free.
He did the siding like so fast.
Knocked it out, huh?
So fast. We used Nietzsche. Is it Nietzsche? We're the
Off-brand
Oh.
of Hardy.
It's kind of the comparable brand. It's not really the off-brand, but our lumber company introduced us to it.
Okay.
So I came home and I said, well, let me do a little research on this stuff because I never heard of it.
Right. It's
So
the same
we
thing.
started
Remit
researching
fiberboard.
And the ratings were
They're good.
really good.
Good.
Really good. But it's a little bit cheaper than doing Hardy because Hardy has the market.
Yep.
I mean, I'm real pleased with the brick and how it turned out.
What is your brick called?
Ours is called Cypress Point.
Okay.
It is by Henry.
Okay. The bedrooms over here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's nice. It's a good size. Love this. So that's going to be a little vanity. So they'll have a sink and a vanity cabinet there. And then this is the toilet and the tub room. And then there's going to be another vanity here for this bedroom.
And we're doing barn doors.
Oh, good. Yeah. And then this is the closet for this bedroom. Linen closet. Oh, that's a good place for it. Yeah. To get to the attic.
Yeah, there's just too much space over there not to...
Right. You need to access it. Yeah. Are y'all going to do bookshelves on each side?
Yeah, it's going to do the lower.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we're doing all of our...
Floating shelves.
We're doing all those out of our wood, too.
That would be great.
Yeah. And I think I told you the floor brand.
All right. Yeah. So it's Southwind.
Yeah. It's
a brand.
It's more of a commercial grade.
It's a LVP.
But it's called Frontier. It has a real rustic.
The color is called Frontier. Mm-hmm. Okay. So how has it been owner building? Has it gone pretty well?
Has. We're on target to do it within budget.
Good.
What we anticipated.
Yeah.
That would have never happened.
No, not with the building prices.
Prices have been going down as we've been building, and people will do this for cash.
Oh, so you're negotiating with the subs by paying in cash.
Yeah.
It's a good tip. Credit card.
Between right up.
Yeah.
At our
Yeah, so let's talk cash price.
cash price. Good.
At our age, of course, our goal has been to get here and be mortgage free.
Yes.
So to be able to do that, we had to really...
So y'all didn't get a construction loan?
No, we did not get a construction loan. And that's what's allowed us to be able to pay cash.
Yeah. And so y'all are living right here on the property while y'all are building. That makes it very convenient.
Yeah, we live in that RV. We've been there full time.
So how long did framing take for you guys?
When did they start? November?
June.
It was about 6-8 weeks. Yeah.
2 months? That's not bad. I know they probably estimated like 3 weeks, but
Oh, yeah. They literally said, I said, how long does it usually take you? Yeah. And they literally said 3 weeks.
yeah.
France.
Yeah.
But we feel like we'll be in here reasonably by August 1, which is 9 months for a self-build, which is
good.
not terrible.
It's good because your expectation is, okay, they should be here 5 days a week from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And that's not going to happen.
No, it's not.
And so if you know ahead of time that, there's going to be a beautiful sunny day and no one's here.
Yeah.
sometimes. How much do you estimate that you saved by underbuilding?
200,000.
That's great.
Yeah.
Can you imagine paying that?
Based on a friend built a very similar home and got a contractor.
To build this house for what we built it for is
Right. And if for any reason you decided to sell it the day that you finish building, all that money is equity.
oh yeah.
You know.
Oh yeah.
You know.
I do. Yeah, we're not going to.
No, I know you're not. No, it's so nice. Y'all have done a wonderful job so far.
A lot of the time we've kind of flown by the seat of our pants, you know, so not really having a concrete plan to move forward, but I feel like potentially could have benefited us a lot.
Yeah.
So I think what you're doing honestly is going to be invaluable for those people who want to get, who want to do the self.
Yeah. We want to help these people be able to do this in their budget.
Right.
So that's kind of our goal.
Yeah. Well, I think it's going to be great. I think it's awesome what you're doing.
Thank you.
To help people like us.
Yeah. Right.
They really need it.
Right.
Okay.
This was the second house we built. The first house we built, he was traveling all the time.
Okay.
And it was just me and either a big baby bump or a double stroller. And that was just craziness. But,
Yeah.
you know, and we lived an hour away, too. So I was, oh, wow.
It's a challenge.
You do, I think you have to be here at least a couple hours during work hours.
It was so important to be here when major things were happening.
You don't want them making decisions without consulting.
No, you don't.